What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. This is Alex from MTA Alex, and look at what we have here. We got Quasimodo, and we're gonna be changing the fork and the handlebar on this video, so stay tuned. And before we do that, I'm also gonna weigh it to see if we save any weight. 35.58 pounds or 16.14 kilograms. Now, in order to change the fork, I'm gonna have to change the headset, and I have a headset ready to go. And I'm not gonna explain that one, because if you wanna see that one, I can show you. I'll leave a link for the video where I did it on my Axum, and all those instructions are there. And yeah, let's go. Alright, as you could see, I do not have the proper tools to take the headset off, but that always works, so it's not even that tight. And what I'm gonna put in right now is a few new parts. I'm gonna change the fork, the handlebar, the stem, and the headset. So what I have in here, I have a Zito headset. This is for a taper bike, okay? This is what I'm gonna be using. For my stem, I got actually a new one. I usually use, and I do have another one, the Wake ones, but that one was 45 millimeters from the center to the center. And now, since this bike was supposed to be for my wife, I wanted to make it as compact as possible. This one is 35 millimeters. It's also $10 on Amazon. I think the headset was like $15, something like that. It was not that expensive either. Have my Wake handlebars. These were like $20. Yes, getting a bootclose air fork, and this one is supposed to be taper. I'm gonna open it because I haven't opened it. It's been here for like a month already. Let's go ahead and put these things on. Well, there you have it. Nice and flush. Don't need any tools. Just do it on your own risk. So the cups are in, all the seals, the crown and everything is everything ready to go. I have already cut my my fork just shy of where it actually needs to do so it can compress. I have my spacers. I cut a little bit longer than the spacers that came in originally. I'm adding an extra spacer just for the sake of it, just to be safe. If I need to shorten it, I can do so. What I want to do right now, before I put it on, I want to go ahead and remove the decals. I'm going to be using some of my own, and I think it's actually going to look a little bit better, so I'm going to use a heat gun to take those off and go from there. By the way, this came with the headset, and this is just an adapter that you can put them on the bottom on the crown. If you were to use a straight tube, you can use the same adapter, and it comes with this already. Original handlebar, 1.36 pounds, 0.615 kilograms, so 615 grams. New handlebar, 0.8 pounds or 365 grams. Out for the front suspension. Weight after upgrades. The fork and all that. 31.92 pounds. Damn, that's nice. 14.48 kilograms. Not bad. This is lighter than my Axum. Well, stage 1 upgrade's done. So I got the fork and the handlebar replaced, along with the headset, with the bearings and everything ready to go. The fork has a remote lockout. It's supposed to be 120 millimeters. I'm gonna do a trail review on that, so stay tuned for that. Make sure you subscribe if you want to see that trail review on that fork. I have a few more things going on for this bike. I'm also gonna put in a dropper post and do a bottom bracket with the crankset and everything, so stay tuned for those videos as well. But for now, this is gonna be it. Hopefully you like this video, and if you did, please hit the thumbs up button, turn the notification bell on so you won't miss the rest of this project. What do you guys think the fork was gonna be? Just FYI. Leave it down in the comments. And other than that, that is it for today, guys, and I'll see you on the trail. Goodbye.